In this video, I'll show you how to buy Tion on Tonkeeper. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone and unlock your wallet using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Make sure you are inside the correct wallet before making a purchase. Once you are on the main wallet screen, look for the Buy button. In most versions of Tonkeeper, this option is shown near your wallet balance or inside the main action menu. Tap Buy to continue. Next, choose Toncoin, also called Ton, as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then select the fiat currency you want to pay with, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or your local currency if it is supported. Now enter the amount you want to spend. Tonkeeper may show different payment providers depending on your country, payment method, and purchase amount. These providers can allow you to buy Ton using a debit card, credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another supported payment option. Choose the provider and payment method that works best for you. Before continuing, review the exchange rate, service fee, network fee, estimated Ton amount, and processing time. The final amount can be different depending on the provider, so it is worth checking the details carefully. After selecting the offer, Tonkeeper may redirect you to the payment provider's secure checkout page. Follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to enter your card details, billing information, email address, or complete identity verification, depending on the provider and local regulations. When you reach the confirmation page, check your Tonkeeper wallet address carefully. It should already be filled in automatically, but it is still important to confirm that the Ton will be sent to your own wallet. Once everything looks correct, approve the payment. Your bank or card provider may ask you to confirm the transaction using a one-time code, banking app approval, Face ID, Touch ID, or another security check. After the payment is completed, the Ton will be sent to your Tonkeeper wallet. It may arrive within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take longer depending on the payment provider and network activity. To check your balance, return to Tonkeeper and refresh the wallet screen. If the Ton does not appear right away, wait a little and check your transaction history or the payment provider's confirmation email. And that's how you buy Ton on Tonkeeper. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.